Hello friends, welcome to Born Starseed Narumi once again. So I believe you all are absolutely fine, going great in life and very happy and also in high vibration. So first of all, let me just have a little conversation with all of you because I am posting this particular video after a long time. So first of all, let me know that how is your health? How is your vibration? Friends, let me tell you one thing, because I believe the way I start a day, that is absolutely true. High vibration, you can say, that is absolutely true, thinking positive. So before I post any particular video, I suggest in each and every video to always keep your vibration high. That is very essential. If you literally want to attract miracle in life, if you literally want to attract good luck in life, if you literally want to get everything in abundance, so you have to keep your vibration high. That is very essential. That is the first rule of universal law of attraction. Okay? So if you feel that yes, I want to attract everything, I want to attract good luck, I want to attract money, I want to attract love, I want to attract good health. So for that, you have to keep your vibration high by thinking always positive, by starting your day with a positive affirmation. Okay? So today, what exactly I am going to share with all of you, that is something very miraculous. So the word, just it will be a few words which I am going to share with all of you, that is known as switch word. And I will tell you how to chant that particular word in a day, for how many days, every detail. But before that, I want one thing from all of you. If you really like my video, first like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. If you have not done, do it right now and get all the latest updates regarding spirituality and music. I hope all these tips, whatever I am going to share with all of you, it will really help you in your life and it will help you in regard to your progress, whether abundance, whether in regard to progress. Okay? So first of all, let me tell you, this is absolutely related to switch word. This is known as switch word. Everything, whatever I share, that is absolutely related to universal law of attraction, that is absolutely related to spirituality and angels. Okay? So whatever I am doing in life, that is absolutely through my intuition, whether this particular YouTube channel which I have not very recently, already just created this YouTube channel, that is only through my intuition. Whatever my intuition says, I try to do that. Okay? So today's that particular miraculous word which can bring good luck in your life, that I am going to share with all of you. But friends, let me tell you one thing. If you are in a low vibration, if you are very negative, whatever I share, that won't be working. First of all, let me be very clear with all of you. If you are in a very low vibration, if you always think negative, if you try to find out negativity in everything, in everyone, no switch word, no angel numbers, no chanting can help you. For that, you need to be very active, very positive by your mind setup. Your vibration should be very high. That is very essential. If you literally want to manifest anything in life, you can manifest anything in life. Universe has anything, everything in abundance to give you. But for that, you need to keep your vibration high. Then everything, every switch word will work for you miraculously. Okay? So today's switch word, to attract good luck. Okay? Today's switch word is to attract good luck. For example, we know that many people they are working really hard, they are very laborious, they are very sincere to their work, whether it's in regard to their career or personal life, but still there are so many blockages, there are so many negativities for which they are not able to attract good luck, right? So for eradicating those blockages, for removing those blockages from your life, and for attracting good luck, I'm going to share one switch word with all of you, that is miraculous. Trust me. The switch word is blue sapphire. I repeat, the switch word is blue sapphire. Okay, you have to chant this particular switch word any time you can. Chant this particular switch word in a day, whether it is morning, whether it is evening, afternoon, night. But I will suggest all of you should always chant this switch word before going to bed at night and after waking up early in the morning. These 2 times are considered to be miraculous in regard to universe, I'm telling you. So when you are waking up early in the morning and when you are going to bed before going to sleep, you have to chant this word. Apart from that, you can also chant this switch word throughout the day. That is totally depending on you. But these are the 2 most crucial times. Okay. So the switch word is blue sapphire. You have to chant for at least 10 to 15 minutes whenever you are chanting, and at least 25, not 25, at least 45 times in a day. Okay. You have to chant this particular switch word at least 45 times in a day, and minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. If, for example, there is no rules, there is no regulations, for example, you have to sit, you have to do chanting by sitting in a right posture, nothing. If you are walking, if you are doing any morning walk, if you are doing any exercise or yoga, you can chant this particular switch word. But the right timing will be early in the morning and before going to bed at night. Okay. So this literally has worked for many to whom I have already suggested this switch word. Try to chant this word for minimum 21 days. Okay. Maximum it can be 40 days or even 6 months or even 1 year if you literally want to get better result or best result. But minimum it should be 21 days. Maximum it can be 40 days or more than that as well. Okay. So start grabbing good luck, start attracting good luck, whether it's in regard to your career, whether it's in regard to your health, and whether it's in regard to your personal life, love life. If you literally want to attract good luck and remove all the blockages, negative blockages, have immense faith in the power of the universe and start chanting with high vibration, positive thought. No matter what others are saying, people are there to say something negative, but if you have immense faith in the supreme power, in the power of the universe, start and give it a try and see whether it works for you or not. And do share me the feedback in the chat box. Whenever you are getting the result, try to connect with me through my YouTube channel. If you need any kind of help, just leave your comment in the chat box in regard to my YouTube channel, in regard to my video. I hope I will be able to help you out. Okay. So thank you friends. Thank you so much. Thank you all the beautiful souls. Hope this particular switch word will work for you. I repeat, the word is blue sapphire. I will be writing this particular word in the description box for your convenience. Stay home, stay safe, and I will be coming soon with another important angel number or switch word that will really help you in the long days, okay, in the long run. So thank you everyone. See you soon.